we can testing with for example Softimage. Softimage is a little difference because when you run, it's create this folder and it's open only the software, not create the files. Okay, because you can go in Softimage, you can go here, you can go Product Manager, New Project, you can select this folder or create the new project, for example. So you can find here your folder. I created folder dust, but you can create the folder project, you can assign project, you can create that here without any problem. Okay.